how we are going to solve this problem. I have just cleared up this program and I am going to create a class that is list array data. Inside it I am going to write public static void, and what method we are going to take is remove even length, and inside that I am going to write array list. Array list would be having a string inside it. So and then array, I have to write array curly braces start. Inside this we are going to use for. We are going to take int I equals to 0, and we will take that to the array dot size of this array and I plus plus. Inside for, what we are going to do is first I have to write the curly braces, and then inside for we are going to say string word equals to new string word equals to array dot get I, and then if word dot length modulus 2, and then it should give 0. Then I am going to write I minus minus. I'm going to do something after I have done the work in the main method. So just stick with the program till the end. So inside the main method we are going to write array list as we have done earlier, and after that I'm going to write string and then array list. It would be camel case uh, because it's look nice. Array list equals to new array list, and then a string, and then size of this string, size of this array, that would be 5. Now array list dot add what we have done earlier, and inside this I'm going to write Python. This is the item I want to add. Then array list dot add, inside it I'm going to write Java. Then array list dot add, and then C++. Array list dot add, this is the fourth item, and it is HTML. Similarly, for the fifth item we are adding, and it is JavaScript. It could be random items you can add or remove by yourself. So for this program we have to add. Now we are using system.out.println method, and then I want to show the array list here. What is the original list I want to print here? So for this array list I am saying string str array list, and then inside this for system.out.println, and this will display the whole array list, original array list, not the removal one. What we want to remove is the even length. After this what we will do is we will write the class name array list data. Sorry, it is wrong. I think I would remove it afterwards. So what happens if you think that we can do the array list dot remove even length or something like this, but it is not it won't work, because we don't have to remove this thing. We have to remove the classes elements what we have given above. So I'm just writing and showing you that if you use something like this, it won't work, because you have just studied what I have told you. So you will take the class name here, and that is ArrayList data dot remove even length, and then inside it we will write ArrayList. I think the class name is not valid. We will correct it afterwards. System, after that we will say system dot out dot println method, and inside it I would write that after the removal of even length numbers or array, you can say, and just decorate it like I have done. You would get the result after this, like I have given array list above, and it would write original list of elements, and after this it will write the uh, removed even length array list. So first I have to correct this class name, that was list array data. So now it's good, it is not showing the error. Now we will write similar thing what we have written after the array list. We will say for string str array list, and then inside it we will say system.out.println, and then str inside it. So it would display the removed even length array list after this. So this is simple, guys. Now we have what we have to do is we have done this, and we want the result here after the remove even length array list. Okay, it is showing this only. So I think yeah, I have told you that I have to add something inside the functional part of this program. So what we will do is that this is what we have to remove, that is array dot remove I, and now I think it would run. Yeah, you can see all the even length has been removed here. Only C++ is remaining here because it has three alphabets. All of the others are having the even length. So I shall show you some more elements if there are which has odd length. So it would be three elements remaining after removing the even length arrays. You can see the React, C++, and Fortran has are just left here. So this is how we do the array list program, guys. I think it is simple. We have another problem statement for you, and this is problem statement 22. You have to do it by yourself. It says write a method swap pairs that switches the order of values in an array list of strings in a pairwise fashion. Your method should switch the order of the first two values, then switch the order of next two, switch the order of next two, and so on. For example, if the list initially stores these values like 4, score, and 7, and is also an element here, years ago, your method should switch the first pair 4 score, the second second pair and 7, and then third pair years ago, to yield this score for 7 and ago years. If there are an odd number of values in the list, the final element is not moved. This is a real deal, guys. What we are looking here. If there are an odd number of values in the list, the final element is not moved. For example, if the original list had been to be or not to be Hamlet, if it would again switch pairs of value, but the final value Hamlet would not be moved. Yielding this list would be B2. You can see that B2 not or B2 Hamlet. What it was original, to be or not to be Hamlet. Now it is B2 not or B2 Hamlet. So Hamlet isn't moved here. I think you might have understand what is the program. Now you have to do this program, and the problem statement 21 what I have solved for you. You have to do both of these by yourself, and then your two problem statements are done, guys. Submit it to me in my mail. Drop these problem statements solved on my mail list, and this is it, guys. Take care of yourself, and hope we will soon win from this corona situation. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.